Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class. I want to know the basic needs of a man. What are the basic needs of the man? Food, water, and shelter. Is it right? Then without on this earth, all the living beings needed water. All the living beings needed water. Is it right? And our earth also consists 71% of the water. How much percentage? 71% of the part is covered with water. With the water, we are able to grow crops. We are able to do all the things. Is it right or not? Then how do we get water? Maybe we have some information that in the oceans vast resources of water, no? But this water is not useful to us for any purpose. What type of water we use? Pure water. This saline water is not useful for us. How do we get a pure water? The main source of the water which we are using, that is a rain. What is that? Rain. The main source of the water, pure water, is rain. How do we get rainfall? How do we get rainfall? After the completion of summer, we eagerly wait for rainfall. Is it right or not? After the end of the summer, we eagerly wait for rainfall. Is it right? Then how do we get rainfall? The rainfall story starts from water vapor. What is water vapor? Water vapor. Generally, we learn that water vapor we will get from the one of the gaseous matter of water. Is it right? If we boil the water, it will become as a vapor. Is it right? In that way only, that only will happen now. Where do we get a vast portion of water? In oceans, lakes and rivers. Is it right? And etc. Some more are there. But vastly we will get in ocean. So the cloud formation also take place in oceans only. How that clouds form, we will learn. By the hot temperatures, by the hot sun, the water in the water sources will be evaporated. They will evaporate. Then what happened? This evaporated water will raise in the atmosphere. When it raising in the atmosphere, then what will happen? When it is moving away from the earth's surface, it will become cool. If it is rising, in that way only it will become cool. When it became as water vapor, became cool, it start to become as a water droplets. When it become as a water droplets, what will happen? It join with some minute dust particles which are in the atmosphere. By that it will get the shape of small droplets. When after some time, this small and minute droplets become as a bigger droplets. This much will become as a, this much droplets will become as this much. Then what happened? They can't hold for a long time in the air, in the atmosphere. Then they will take the form of a precipitation. First part what happened? Evaporation. Now the part of a precipitation started. Precipitation, in the form of precipitation, we get rainfall, snow, fog, hails and dew. All these forms we will get a precipitation. Generally, rainfall is the only precipitation we think that, but these are also a part of precipitation. When this rainfall falls, again water journey will start. This evaporation part mostly happen in oceans, and in the same way in the ocean also rainfall is more when compared to the land. But what about our land? We won't have that much water on the land, no? But these clouds travel number of kilometers, thousands of kilometers also. These clouds and winds will travel. And what happened? These clouds from ocean move to the land part, and in the on the land we will get a plenty and abundant rainfall. That rainfall take as a streamway, and afterwards it will form as a river, and then all these rivers join with the sea. Then again on the sea that evaporation will take place. Evaporation and side by side precipitation, again rainfall, river. In this way the water journey will be cycled always. And we learn that from the ocean the clouds and winds move to land. Is it right? That only we call as a monsoon winds. In our India, in the month of June, by the arrival of a southwest monsoon winds, we are able to get a rainfall, which is very useful for our agriculture. Is it right? There's a southwest monsoon winds gave abundant rainfall to our India. Thank you.